In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Squarespace website. If you've ever wished you could take your existing site and spin up a safe sandbox to experiment, or create a starting point for a new project with the same look and structure, duplicating your site is the quickest way to do it. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what happens behind the scenes, and share a few tips so you know what to expect. First, open Squarespace and make sure you're logged into the account that owns or manages the site you want to copy. On the main interface, look toward the bottom left corner and click your profile icon. That takes you to your account dashboard, where you'll see a list of all the websites associated with your account. This view is helpful because it lets you manage multiple sites from one place and makes it easy to confirm you're working on the right one before making a copy. Now, find the website you want to duplicate. Hover over it and click the three dots icon next to the site's name. In the menu that appears, click Duplicate. That's it. Squarespace will start creating a copy of your site. You'll see the new site appear in your dashboard, typically with a name that indicates it's a duplicate of the original. You can open it right away to explore, or keep working from the dashboard and jump in later when the copy is finished processing. Here's what to know about that duplicate. Squarespace brings over your site's overall design, pages, and most content, so the copy looks and feels like the original. This is great for testing design changes, trying out new layouts, or preparing a rebrand without touching your live site. Some data, especially sensitive or account-specific information, usually doesn't carry over. Things like store orders, payment connections, certain third-party integrations, and private submissions typically stay with the original. That's by design, so the copy remains a clean workspace. If you rely on features like commerce, member areas, or scheduling, plan to reconnect those services directly in the duplicate when you're ready, but you don't need to do that just to complete this process. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your dashboard organized by noting which site is the original and which is the copy, so you always edit the correct one. And because duplicating is non-destructive, you can repeat this process anytime you want a fresh testing ground. And that's all there is to it. You click your profile icon to open your dashboard, choose the site's three dots, and select Duplicate. Simple, fast, and super useful.